Good afternoon, students. As we have discussed about the last topic, that is health. That health is a state of physical, mental and the social well-being of an organism or an individual. Means the person should be physically, mentally and socially fit. Then we can say that he or she is healthy in the nature. And we have discussed about the good health. We have discussed about the good health. So what do you mean by good health? Good health means the person is able to do his work completely without any discomfort. Without any discomfort means he has comfortable to do his work, then he will be known as healthy person or having a good health. I gave you so many examples in this. Like the musician, he is used to play the flute. So he is now having so much capability to fill the air in the flute for playing of that flute. Right? So today we will discuss about the disease and how many types of the disease are there. First of all, we will discuss types of disease. So what do you mean by the types of the disease? Types of the disease means how many types of the disease are there. There are mainly two types of the disease are there. One is known as congenital disease. Second one is known as your acquired disease. Right? Congenital means disease at the birth of child. Disease at the birth of child. When the baby born, at his birth, that this type of the disease already occur in that baby. This type of the disease known as congenital disease. It may be due to hereditary character or maybe some type of the malfunctioning or not functioning of any organ at that time. That type of the disease known as your congenital disease, like diabetes. Acquired disease, which develops after birth, right? Which develops after birth, and this type of the disease may be your communicable and non-communicable. As the name suggests, communicable disease, which may be spread from one person to the other person by contact, by using the things of that infected person. So this type of the disease is communicable. Communicable means from one person to the other person. If in a family there are 10-12 members are there, if one is having the cold, cough, etc., then this cold and cough may be to the other person in the family, and that may be used of his towel or his clothes or bag sharing, or even using the water, food, etc., sharing of food, water, etc. Due to that, this type of the disease occur, and this type of the disease known as your communicable disease. Communicable means community level पे जो फैलती है उसको बोलेंगे हम communicable disease. For example, आप कैसे दे सकते हो cold, flu, cough, etc. Even the TB, that is also a communicable disease. If we share the things with him, that infected person, so that can also be spread from one person to the other person. Typhoid is also there. So that type of the disease known as your communicable disease. Non-communicable disease means which register in that person, which register in individual. जो सिर्फ और सिर्फ उसी इंडिविजुअल में रहेगी, and it will not affect the other person who are living with him or living in the society. That type of the disease known as your non-communicable disease, like your arthritis, BP, heart attack or cancer. These type of the diseases are known as your non-communicable disease. So now we will discuss as these non-communicable diseases are there. So how many types of the non-communicable disease occurs? This non-communicable disease are further divided into further types. First is degenerative malfunctioning of vital organ like failure of the kidney. If a eyes is not doing the proper function, then there will be myopia is there, means specs are used in that. That type of the disease are known as your degenerative disease, means due to the organs. The organs are not doing the function properly. At that type of the disease known as your degenerative disease. Second is known as your deficiency disease. Deficiency disease means due to the deficiency of the nutrients in the food. As all of you know that in the balanced diet, all the nutrients are present in the proper amount, like your carbohydrate, protein, fats, vitamins, minerals, etc. But due to the deficiency of one type of the disease, nutrition in the food, that causes the malfunctioning of these organs, and due to that there will be a disease occur, and that disease is known as your deficiency disease. So due to lack of nutritional food, due to lack of nutritional food, so that type of the disease known as deficiency disease. For example, iron deficiency anemia, iodine deficiency causes vital like this. So these type of the disease which occurs due to the deficiency of a particular nutrient, protein की deficiency, so there will be kwashiorkor is there, bending of the bones, bending of your legs is there. If calcium is present in the less quantity, then there will be fracturing of the bones are there, softening of bones are there, decaying of the teeth is also there due to deficiency of the calcium in the food. Right? Third one is known as your allergies. So what do you mean by allergies? Allergies are simply we can say that caused due to the hypersensitivity of the body organs or body parts के hypersensitivity की वजह से this type of the disease occurs, and these are known as your allergies. That may be due to your pollen grains. Pollen grains will not present on the flowers, and then they will spread from one place to the other place, then they will causes the allergy. Some are having the pollution allergy, some are having the oils or the peanuts, or some are having the smell of anything, that also causes the allergy. And the substances which causes the allergy are known as allergens. That are known as your allergens. Allergens are the substances which causes the allergy in the human being, that are known as your allergens. Right? So now we will discuss a disease होता है, types of disease को बता देंगे. ये जो communicable disease है, these are also known as non-infectious disease. And communicable diseases are known as infectious disease, means infected from one person to the other person. Now we will discuss about the disease and its cause. Its cause. As all of you know that health क्या है? Health क्या है? State of physical, mental and social well-being. Physical, mental and social well-being, that is called health. उसको health बोलते हैं. यदि physically fit और चीज़ों से mentally, social, physically fit then we say that he is healthy in the nature. Right? So what is disease? It is also a state. Disease is also a state of any organ not feel comfortable to do work regularly. यदि कोई भी state of any organ है which do not feel comfortable or not able to do that work, that state is known as disease. अब ये जो disease है, there are the signs and the symptoms are there. In the disease, signs and symptoms are there. What do you mean by sign and what do you mean by symptom? Symptoms are generally headache may be due to, किस किस के कारण से हो सकते हैं, may be due to lack of sleepiness, hypertension, fever or weather change, acidity problem. There are so many diseases are there which are having the common symptom, and that is a common sign that is known as symptom. So we cannot identify that headache is due to which type of the disease. So that is known as your symptoms, right? It cannot give accurate type of the disease. It is common headache. It may be due to acidity, may be due to your hypertension, lack of sleep, or migraine, or acidity. It can be a fever, a change in the weather, like that. So that is known as your symptoms. And with these symptoms, which can be visualized by the person itself, जिसको पर्सन खुद itself क्या कर सकता है, विजुअलाइज कर सकता है, आइडेंटिफाई कर सकता है, दैट आर नोन एज योर सिम्टम्स, बट साइंस विच आर आइडेंटिफाइड बाय द डॉक्टर. Doctor will identify that with the symptoms, and when we go to the doctor and we ask what happened, so we say that we are having the headache. तो कितने दिनों से हुआ, कब हुआ, कितना है, asking like this question, and after that he gave you the medicine by relating these symptoms with the sign of the disease, कि ये किस डिजीज का साइन हो सकता है, उससे उसको रिलेट करेगा. आफ्टर दैट गिविंग द मेडिसिन, and with that medicine do not be helpful for you for 2 to 3 days. What will happen, you go to the doctor again, and doctor write some tests, and you will do the test. Doctor and report goes to the doctor, and doctor identify, means diagnose the disease by the test. Diagnose the disease by the test, and after that medication is started, and you feel relaxed, you feel comfortable with that medicine. So that signs are identified by the doctor, and he is able to identify or diagnose that by the test, and that is known as your signs. So what do you mean by signs and the symptoms? And the disease cause is like ये तो हो गया sign और symptom, disease में पता चल रहा है. What are the causes of this disease? It is due to not functioning of any organ properly. It is not due to not functioning of any organ properly. If we are having the digestive system, this digestive system is not able to do his work properly. So what will happen? There may be diarrhea is there may be vomiting is there, and the food is not digested in the body. That is due to, अब वो किसकी वजह से हुआ है? Organ की वजह से. और organ किसकी वजह से functioning is not able to do? That may be due to contaminated water, unclean food. That are so many causes. One by one we will discuss these causes. You will able to understand that these type of the things are there. And now we will discuss about the acute and the chronic disease. ये causes हम one by one discuss करेंगे in the detail. I will just starting with the things. Now we will discuss acute and chronic. Acute disease, chronic disease, which lasts for a short period of time. क्या? What does it mean? कि जो कुछ टाइम तक रहेगी, कुछ टाइम के बाद आप ठीक हो जाओगे, you feel comfortable and you will able to do your work regularly or completely with the same efficiency you are doing before that. So that type of the disease is known as acute disease, and it does not give the poor health, and it does not affect your health so much. For example, cold, fever, flu, etc. Like this. एलर्जी होगी 2-4 दिन में ठीक होगी, लाइक दैट. तो इस टाइप से जो होगी दैट टाइप का डिजीज नोन एज योर एक्यूट डिजीज. और इसके अगेंस्ट विच लास्ट फॉर अ लॉन्ग पीरियड ऑफ टाइम और मे बी फॉर होल लाइफ. जो लॉन्ग पीरियड ऑफ टाइम तक रहेगी या पूरी लाइफ तक आपके साथ रहेगी जो डिजीज, That type of the disease known as your chronic disease, like blood pressure, BP, diabetes, cancer, TB, etc. Right? BP है, एक बार हो गया, whole life you will take the medicine and you will live with that. And diabetes it also lives for the whole life. Cancer है, if you treat the person is treated with the cancer, no doubt that can be cured. But after some time there will be adverse effect on the health will be taken. Even the tuberculosis, TB also take a lot of the time to cure. जैसे lungs में हुआ, lungs ने काम करना क्या कर दिया, बंद कर दिया, क्योंकि firstly it affects your lungs. And if lungs is not doing the proper function, then there is no proper breathing takes place and no more oxygen will be goes into your body and no digestion of the food takes place and you feel tired in case of the TB and in the case of the diabetes, etc. And you feel uncomfortable for doing the different type of the works. So you will not feel these type of the work. And if a chronic disease lives in your body, lives in a body of a person for a whole life or for a long time, it gives the poor health. How it will give the poor health? For example, I am giving you the example of diabetes or the cancer, and the medicines are given for that. Cancer, the treatment of the cure is there. In the treatment of the cancer, there will be chemotherapy is there, radiation therapy is there, which will give the adverse effect on the body. Once it is cured, after that it will give the post effects on the body, like just burning of the skin or the sensitivity of that skin, pain in the body or pain in that particular area, not able to do work is regularly just before that cancer, or like in the same TB and same in the diabetes and in the BP also. So that will also cause a poor health if there is a chronic disease and it is due to the failure of that particular organ or not able or discomfort in doing the work by that particular organ. तो जैसे बीपी है ब्लड की वजह से आपकी किसकी वजह से हो सकती है, ये हार्ट का काम करना बंद हो जाता है, कम हो जाता है. कैंसर में आपका कहाँ पे है उससे फ़र्क पड़ता है. टीबी आपकी लंग्स में है, ये आपकी नीज में भी हो सकती है, और डायबिटीज़ ऑल्सो प्रेजेंट इन योर ब्लड. तो दैट टाइप ऑफ द कॉज द एडवर्स इफेक्ट ऑन योर बॉडी एंड यू विल गेट दैट पर्सन विल गेट अ पुअर health and not able to do his work regularly just before that type of the disease. Okay, we have discussed that. अब इसके क्या क्या spread है we will discuss in the next class.